gonna try the best. This one is ouch. This one is too cool. This one is nice and cozy. Mama, do me this.
Okay, what did the bears do?
Somebody's sleeping in my bed. Mama, sleep, get this.
Where's the daddy and the mommy bear?
Here they are. Here they are. Here they are.
What do they do?
The porridge is somebody's eating my porridge. Somebody's eating my porridge. Somebody's eating my porridge. Somebody's sleeping in my bed.
Then
Somebody's eating something sleeping in my bed.
does Goldilocks go through the window?
No.
She doesn't.
Uh-uh.
What does she do?
So it's her house is being. Oh, that's all. Shoot. And then
What happened to the story?
I don't know.
What happens to the bears?